What's up? What's up? It's your friend at Cardano Review, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about Viper and Snek. These are two brothers born from the same legendary Chill Kong's NFT collection. And in this video, I want to talk about some projections on where I expect to see them heading in the year of 2025. Now, 2025 is going to be a huge year because it is the year of the snake. It only comes once every, I think, about 12 years, 12 or 13 years. Matter of fact, here it goes right here. Yeah, it only comes every 12 years. I'm looking right at it. And 2025 is going to be the Chinese zodiac year of the snake. And so, for those out there who want to speculate on meme coins, the biggest snake-based meme in all of entire Web3, the first one to create an energy drink and start a huge grassroots movement was Snek. And you can visit them on snek.com. Their Twitter or X handle is @Snek. I mean, if you just Google Snek, you'll find them, okay? So that's them. But also, Snek has a lesser-known brother who was also born from the same Chill Kong's collection. By the way, if you're not familiar with that, I'm going to go ahead and pull it up. I'll just go to jpg.store and just type in Chilled Kongs. By the way, Goofy Chris, the creator of Snek, is a huge Chill Kongs fan. Matter of fact, his PFP is still a Chill Kongs to this day. But if we go, let's sort here. So as you and Chill Kongs is an original Cardano NFT collection. And so as you can see, this is the birth of Snek, and it has grown now into almost, it's a $500 million market cap with no signs of slowing down. And they're projecting it's going to be $5 to $10 billion market cap in the coming future. The amount of partnerships that they've been building, and they've been doing this despite all the naysayers and all the challenges. They just get stronger and stronger. And so if we look at, there's some more traits down here. Here is Snek's lesser known twin brother, Viper. And a meme coin was created about that about 11 months ago. And there's been some challenges in the community. If you get involved, you'll learn all about it. And the price dipped and everything, but the OG members are still here, and the community is taking it upon themselves to restore Viper to its former glory. And so, as a trader, as an investor, when you see pullbacks in the chart, you can either look at them and get scared, or you can look at them as an investment opportunity. Now, I will go ahead and preface the rest of this by saying I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just my projections based off of all the tools and technical analysis that is available to me out there. And also, full disclosure, I am a huge holder in both. I hold a lot of Snek. I also hold a lot of Viper. I mean, if I believe in something, then of course I'm going to hold it. So, if people want to say something about that, then y'all can say all you want, but I'm not going to sit up here and talk about something that I don't believe in. You know what I mean? So yeah. And also, I'm a huge supporter of very many meme coins. Anybody who knows my background, you can know that I'm a huge supporter of Cardano and Cardano meme coins, and specifically because of the security model that every meme coin that is launched on Cardano automatically inherits. There's meme coins on a lot of blockchains, but when you talk about the security that backs these coins, Cardano by far has the best security model out there, and it's super undervalued. And so as a value investor, I'm looking for those types of things, and that's how I build my thesis off of. Now, everyone's gonna have various opinions, but this is just mine. So let's hop right into it. So here we are on the Viper chart. I'm on taptools.io. If you're new, you can just search them up on Google. And then if you want to find any particular meme coin inside of Cardano, you can just go to the search feature up here and search it. and you can find the trading data. And the really nice thing about Tap Tools is there's a lot of advanced features for all those advanced guys, but I'm not going to go into all that. But just know there's a lot of advanced features for those advanced traders out there. If you're not familiar, way more advanced features than some of the other charting tools that are out there. And so here we go. If we go back here to January 8th of 2024, you can see Viper had an all-time high. If you put this in dollars, you can see Viper had an all-time high of around 0.00004. It's so small, it's a micro cap, guys. And this is the potential. Now, currently the market cap is sitting at 719,000, just say $720,000. And you can see we have a nice little rally. We're kind of here at this little resistance level. And if you look at the Fibonacci's, we're sitting here at the 0.23 Fibonacci level. Now, if we go back all the way up to all-time highs from the current price, that's about a 4x, okay? That's just to go back up to all-time highs. Now, keep in mind, the whole year of 2025, people are going to be talking about the year of the snake. Meme coins is a very big narrative. People are going to be looking into meme coins, and they're going to be looking into Snek and the whole Snek family, and Viper is part of that. There's also Snek is Snek's cousin. There's also Baby Snek, and there's a few other ones out there. Do your own research. They're very, very easy to find. Just go up here to the top and search them up, right? And so my thesis is that as Snek does very, very well, which I'm going to get into the Snek charts in a bit, my thesis is so will the entire Snek family. And so if we go ahead and we look at the projections with the Fibonacci, we have to squeeze this down. Our first target for Viper after we reach those all-time highs, it's going to be 0.00006 cents. Still less than a penny. And what that'll do is that'll put the market cap at what's that number there? Let me do the math real quick. That will put the market cap at about $4 million. Okay? $4 million is still small. That's what I'm saying. Like, we really got a lot of room to grow here. And so anybody who thinks that, oh yeah, y'all missed the boat on Viper, no sir. Now, if we go to the next Fibonacci line, let's do this here. The next Fibonacci is 0.0001057. And so if we do the math on that, that'll take us to a market cap of, it's very simple, the math, 0.0. Market cap is price times supply. That'll put us at $7.6 million. Now, keep in mind, the Cardano ecosystem has already seen 10 million, 20 million, 30 million dollar, even $50 million market caps inside of the meme coins. So, 7 million, 7.6 million, that's still small. Now let's go to the next number. And that is this one here, 0.00014. All right, let me pull out the calculator for that. Very easy, very simple. Take 0.00014. Oh, that's a 5. And then we multiply it by the total number. Let's go back here. Remember the total number, that's the right there. 73.4 billion. And then we hit an enter. That's $10 million market cap. Now, when we start getting to the $10 million market caps, that's when a lot of people, especially the early folks, are going to start probably thinking about taking little profits here and there. And this is another little important point. When it comes to taking profits, guys, do what you want with your money, right? But be mindful of the charts. If you want to maximize your profit taking, it's best to sell in small amounts over time. And it's the same way with buying. When you're buying, investing in something, you want to buy in small amounts of time. There's a lot of people that just buy everything all at once. But the smart traders, that's what they do. They dollar cost average in, and they dollar cost average out. Some people, the short term DCA in, DCA out. That's the shorthand term for it. And so, when we get to there, that's going to be very high. But we can still have room to go, because if you think about it, $10 million is still super, super small compared to speaking to all of, like we're saying, $1 billion. And Snek is going to reach $10 billion market cap valuations. And so let's just go to the last number that's on this Fibonacci extension. And like I said, it can get even crazier than this, but the last number is 0.00017. Let's go ahead and put that up here and do the math. And then multiply that by the current market cap. Boom. That'll put it at $12.4 million. Hold on, let me. Did I do that? Yeah. Okay, yeah. And so that's just based off the Fibonacci level extensions here, as you guys can see. And Fibonacci level extensions are a very helpful tool. A lot of traders use these to project out their targets. And more often than not, these are going to be the numbers that Viper is going to hit. And so that's why, if you looked on my timeline over the past couple of days, I've been very heavily involved in telling people about it, because I'm all about trying to bring you guys gems while they're early. Now, sometimes I might say something and it doesn't turn out the way I expect, right? Or sometimes I might say something, it turns out the way I expect, but it takes a lot longer than I expect. And so that's how it is when it comes to these investments. And that's why number one rule, if you're playing something as an investment, is to never risk more than you can afford. And for each person, that's different. That's why I can't give you a specific number, because sometimes somebody can afford to risk $50, and then maybe $500 is too much. But then let's say you're talking to like Elon Musk, someone like that, they can risk $50,000, and that's like a drop in the bucket to them. So it really depends on your personal financial situation when it comes to that. And so the next thing I want to do is I just want to hop in here and take a look at the Snek projections, because I did the exact same thing just to kind of show you where we expect to go with Snek. Again, like I said, not financial advice, and these numbers could actually get even crazier than this. Like Dogecoin, which is a meme coin that doesn't even have an energy drink. They don't have the grassroots and the whole ecosystem built out as much as Snek has reached. Was it 50, 70, 60 billion dollars, something like that? Multiples of billions of dollars. And Snek is a superpower. It's a giant. Imagine investing in like an energy company if they had, like, if Red Bull had a meme coin. But it's even just more than that, because you can use their platform to create your own meme coins. Like, they got wallets, you know what I mean? They got Telegram wallets and things, right? And so, we're saying, 10 billion, that's really, if you think about it, it's like conservative. It could go even higher than that, especially as we see the crypto markets is really, really, really heating up. But I'm just going to go off these conservative, just Fibonacci numbers right here, and we're going to see what Snek can do. All right, so let's zoom in here. And so the first number is this one right here, which is 0.01. So that's 1.4 pennies. Let's pull up the calculator here. And that's, you know, the exact same supply as Viper. Multiply it by 7.434 billion market cap. Okay, so that's gonna put it at a $1 billion market cap, right? Now let's do the next one. Move this out the way, clear this out, which is essentially 2 cents. So we go 0.0229 times, I'm just going to say 74 billion just to round it out. We're just putting all those in there. But guys, you can do your own math, guys. You know what I'm saying? I don't got to speed fooling you everything. Okay, that's $1.6 billion. Now let's do the next extension, which is 0.03179 times 74 billion dollars. That's 2.3 billion. Okay, now let's do the next extension, which is 0.03723 times 74 billion. And that is $2.7 billion Snek market cap. And like I said, I think this is even super conservative, but I'm just saying, just based off of the Fibonacci extensions, that's what the numbers are saying. Okay, and the numbers don't lie. So that's why I'm making this video, guys, to just break down the numbers. I know a lot of people, especially I spend a lot of time in X spaces and Twitter spaces, and people are trying to figure out, okay, well, how can I make some reasonable projections, some reasonable explanation, have some reasonable expectations on where these prices can go. And it's all about the Fibonacci numbers. Now, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader, but I've done a little bit of research. I've done, some studying on YouTube, and I've talked to a lot of other traders, and they tell me time and time again, the Fibonacci levels, that is what you want to look at. And so that's why I pulled up these Fibonacci levels. And so, yeah, guys, those are my projections. So, Snek, based off of those projections there, and pull that calculator back up, we can see it go a conservative $2.7 billion market cap. And then in terms of Viper, let me put them projections back up. We can see it go to a $12.4 million market cap. And so, yeah, guys, do your research, everything like that. Definitely get involved. Don't sleep on these gems. But, 2025 is the year of the snake. And so, it speaks for itself. The math speaks for itself. I don't make the rules. I just follow them. And I know a lot of people, there's going to be the people, I don't like snakes. Well, guess what? It don't matter what you like. It matters what the rules are. The rules are 2025 is the year of the snake. So, yeah, let's go. Anyways, that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow me. I'm on X. You can find me on X. Here's my profile. It is at Cardano Review. And, hop right on in, send me a message or send me a comment, something like that. And, yeah. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.